You've been told that putting your money into index funds is the safe bet, that it's the guaranteed path to financial freedom. It's supposed to be simple. Just put your cash into the market's broad averages, sit back, and wait for decades until the magic of compounding works its charm. But how many times have you caught yourself staring at your portfolio, heart racing, wondering if this slow grind is really enough? Wondering if the dream of waking up free, not tied to a job or a boss, is just a lie sold by glossy brochures and talking heads on TV? Let's face it, index investing alone doesn't promise freedom. It promises steady growth, sure, but not security against the chaos waiting to pounce when the markets crash, or inflation eats your savings alive. It doesn't promise power when the system is rigged with hidden fees, limits, and masked risks that no one wants to talk about. And it certainly doesn't promise the kind of absolute control over your life. The kind of freedom where you choose what to do every morning without the weight of financial fear crushing your soul. The brutal truth is that relying solely on index investing is a trap for those afraid to face the sharper edges of investing, where true breakthroughs and freedom lie. It's the comfort zone that lulls you while the clock ticks, your potential flickers, and opportunities slip right through your fingers. You need to stop pretending that slow and safe is the same as free, because it's not. Here is what must be done. No excuses allowed. First, get obsessed with knowledge nobody else bothers to chase. Learn how the market really works, not the watered-down version. Study volatility like it's the enemy, and yet also the greatest opportunity for the fearless. See beyond the indexes. Dive into the world of alternative assets, private equity, startups, and thematic investments that align with tomorrow's breakthroughs. You want your money to work with you, not just blindly follow an average graph that masks giants and collapses. Second, build real connections with founders, innovators, and investors who are rewriting the rules. Stop being isolated with your spreadsheets and quiet frustrations. Freedom comes from synergy, collaborations that create exponential value. Find your tribe who challenges your limits and who will push you when ease makes you lazy. Third, master the art of dynamic meritocracy. Forget legacy investments and inheritances that cushion the comfortable. Fight to earn and re-earn every cent through sharp decision-making and ruthless evaluation of what works. Freedom isn't a gift, it's a relentless pursuit. It's the daily grind armed with insights, discipline, and emotional steel. Fourth, this one is crucial. Embrace strategic globalization. Don't limit yourself by borders, politics, or outdated loyalties. The future belongs to those who transcend the noise of nationalism and see opportunities anywhere on the planet. You want financial freedom? Think global. Invest where growth actually happens, in ecosystems and economies that defy the familiar myths. And finally, demand that your capital works as a tool of transformation, not complacency. The market systems as they are won't free you. They keep the many enslaved to mediocrity while the few break through. Use your investments to fund the impossible. Game-changing ideas, bold ventures, technologies that shatter limitations and create whole new realities. This is not about sitting back and hoping the market carries you. It's about stepping up, breaking the chains of quiet despair, and unleashing the power inside you to shape your financial destiny. The path to freedom is ruthless. It's full of risk, hard decisions, and moments when giving up feels easier than pushing ahead. But freedom comes only to those who dare to transcend the trap of easy illusions. So stop doubting. Stop waiting. The system won't save you because it's not designed for your liberation. You must claim it yourself. Invest like your life depends on it, because it does. Take relentless control over your wealth, your choices, your future. Destroy the comfort of blind safety and replace it with the fierce, burning hunger for true financial freedom. Now is the time to become more than another index investor. Now is the time to become unstoppable.